Welcome back. Today, we are mastering 3 incredibly simple, traditional Spanish desserts to beat the summer heat.
We begin with sweet, juicy melon spheres, effortlessly carved and layered into a chilled serving bowl.
Pour over a generous amount of rich, chilled port wine, allowing the flavors to gently marinate.
Garnish with fresh mint, serve ice cold, and experience absolute bliss.
Next, we slice perfectly peeled, vibrant oranges into even, round wheels.
Drizzle generously with pure golden honey, and dust with a delicate layer of warm ground cinnamon.
Finally, we slice fresh, ripe strawberries, releasing their natural aroma.
Pour over freshly squeezed orange juice and add a few drops of rich, aged balsamic vinegar.
3 simple, sophisticated desserts to transform your summer. Buen provecho!